So this is Memorial Day weekend, and we need to do some rototiller. This hasn't been started in a year. Well, I want to plant potatoes today, so I'm going to start by rototilling the garden one more time. So Laura's got a lot of her stuff planted here in her raised beds. Hasn't decided what she's going to do with her greenhouse yet, or high tunnel, whatever you'd like to call it. Okay, doesn't look too bad. So I want to do a little more work on it before we plant, I think. And maybe work on this side here too. And then she wants me to rototill down here by her raspberries. So, all right, good enough for now though. You can see this is just the 1st of June. And our grass is all dead already. This place is a desert, and we're in a real drought right now. So Laura's planting all kinds of stuff. I'm planting potatoes, Huh, I thought I had those marigolds in my pocket. Lost them.
They fell down on the ground here.
Oh, okay. And I'm planting some marigolds on the outside of the garden, hopefully to help keep the deer out, but we'll put some fence up too. But I'm digging a trench. Here's my trench. This is covered already. This has got potatoes in it. This one doesn't. So what I'll do now is kind of just clean the trench out a little bit. This is because it's nice and soft down real deep now. Clean the trench out to the depth I want the potatoes. Put my potatoes in.
I'm planting candy roaster squash.
So here's my taters. These are the ones I'm going to plant here. I think these are red ones. Oh yeah. Yeah. I think I planted a white one to start with there. But I'll just put these in. Most of these will probably get cut, but I can't plant potatoes and take pictures at the same time. So I'll plant potatoes. See you later. Okay, all done with my part. Laura's part's looking pretty good too. That is all. Over and out. Sounds like somebody's got a generator running down by the river. All right, so we're going to take a tour of the garden. And I guess we can start down here with Laura's stuff, although I don't think I have any other video of this, but this is, what do you call these, Laura?
IBC toast. Right now I'm pouring water from soaking banana peels because it's good for tomatoes.
So says the internet, right? Ooh, that's pretty ugly looking.
That's just my compost.
Wow, look at this stuff. Now, this is July the 1st. This stuff was probably put in the ground what time, Laura?
February or March. I put it in milk jugs.
When was it put here?
Oh, I don't know. But this is what's called companion planting, because certain plants do better with others. So I've got asparagus, lettuce, green peppers, and that's it. Oh, and onions, I think.
Okay.
Go on.
What are the little round things on your, isn't that dill?
That's asparagus that's going to seed.
Oh, that's asparagus?
Yeah, these will turn red and fall off, and there'll be big black seeds in there.
Okay, this looks like onions.
I am not sure what it is. I think it's garlic.
Oh, okay.
So I got broccoli, celery, and I planted beets.
The broccoli's not doing very good.
I just planted it.
Okay. These are the kind of things I want to know for the video, is when it was planted, so how long it's been in the ground here.
These are all herbs, pretty much. This is lavender, or this is sage. This is cilantro. This comes up every year. This is lettuce I planted this year. So we got celery, onions, tomatoes.
I can smell the tomatoes when you just wiggled them. I see the onions. Those are onions you just planted or were in the ground?
Those are onions from last year that were growing in the basement.
Okay.
So the same thing here, onions, tomatoes, and celery. Tomatoes.
Looks like this stuff needs some water. See this tomato plant? It's all curled up.
I don't know why. Oh, some of them are doing that, and I don't know why. They can't need water because the water reservoir is down here. I'll check it and see if it's full. But,
Well, I don't think your roots are long enough to pick that up. That's what I think.
but it comes. So we got carrots. You can see the moisture is right there. Carrots, tomatoes. Over there we got carrots.
This one here's got the same problem.
I know it. It's the ones I got from our daughter. But you can see the new growth is fine.
Okay, I got a fly on me, Pipe. So I gotta carry Piper with me, my little blind dog. Don't I, Piper? More tomatoes.
Just different varieties.
Yeah. Here's the strawberries. We never got very many strawberries. Oh, there's a red one I see.
Yeah, they're starting to.
To grass in them. It's hard to take care of that. The grass up here is awful.
Well, and plus 2 years with COVID, you know, the effects of COVID put me behind trying to keep it weeded.
So what's this one, Laura? Some kind of squash or something?
Zucchini.
Zucchini, okay.
Zucchini.
This stuff is dry, I can tell.
Yeah, more garlic. But you can see that the moisture is there.
Well, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about that stuff over there. Strawberries. Oh, there's a nice big strawberry there.
Okay.
If I didn't have a camera in one hand and a dog in the other hand, I'd get that one.
You can have that one.
Oh, here's some up there too.
I got this thing.
Okay, whatever we got going here
Nothing.
definitely needs some water.
Nothing.
Right there.
Okay, that's cucumbers, I think.
And here's the raspberries, and they got a few little raspberries on them.
Which I found another bag in the freezer, so from last year.
Another bag of what, Laura?
Raspberries.
Oh. Okay. Our corn's supposed to be knee-high by the 4th of July, so oops.
Watch yourself.
So let's see. Well,
No.
I don't think it's gonna make it.
Okay, this row's cucumbers. This is I'm not sure if it's broccoli, cauliflower, or cabbage.
Oops, I gotta check, see where my little dog is. You okay, Pipe? Yep, she's okay.
So this row of corn didn't come in very good. So don't step on it. I still got this I could plant, but I don't know what to put here.
This is broccoli. I really didn't want to put any broccoli out here because it seems to attract the deer. But so here's my potatoes. You'll see in the previous video that I planted these around Memorial Day, so around 30 days ago. These are planted. It'll probably say in the video, and we'll figure that out for sure. I gotta watch out for potato bugs. I have a real problem with potato bugs here. Colorado potato bug. Oops, there's one right now. Doggone it.
They come up out of the ground.
Doggone it. That's awful.
That's the first one. Boy, you got eagle eyes for those.
That one was hard to miss, I'm telling you.
this is flowering already. That says it's making potatoes underneath.
Yeah, these potatoes need to be watered.
Yeah.
I sprayed the yard for ticks earlier this year, and I was hoping that might keep the potato bugs down, but I see that didn't work. Okay, so what are these? Broccoli?
Broccoli that was given to me.
That looks like peas over there.
These are snow peas
Okay.
that are doing good on the little trellis beds. Let's go out and see the flowers here.
I gotta keep an eye on Piper. She's over there eating grass, so I guess she's okay.
So we got lupines, calendulas. Oh no, those are zinnias. Squash, dahlias. These are the big bottle gourds that you make bird houses out of.
What's this pretty flower here?
I think it's some kind of poppy, which I grew from seed. I hope it's a perennial.
Okay, well.
Wait a minute, these are artichokes.
Yeah, well, okay. All right, well, thanks for watching. Just wanted to give you an update on the garden. I don't know if I'll post this right away or I'll wait until I post it when we start taking stuff out of the garden.
We got flower in there.